Wait, what? What a dumb way to end the last video. I know, and I do apologize. What happened was my SD card on my camera, I don't know, wanted to format. I don't know, it just stopped working on me. So I just was able to film what I got at that time. And so, but let me show you exactly what I have done so far. So check this out. All right, so here it is. Here's the piece that I was working on. Here's on top of the stove. And then here's our refrigerator, our fridge. And so what's gonna happen is, let me do it this way. And our spices are gonna go here. Here's our sink. Sorry, everything's a mess right now. We're trying to still build and move at the same time. But our sink's right here, you know, and so our spices are gonna go here. And the concept behind this is gonna be where we pull the fridge out this way and we're able to open it up. And then just pull it back that way. So kind of putting something right there. And of course, everybody in van life has something like that. We're just kind of have the fridge out of the way. So nothing new. And then I also did this. This used to look like this. I don't know if you can see it. It was just black, and I mean, I try to get real close to it, I can still see some of the roughness of this, and I didn't like it. So what I did was I bought some wood that's real smooth. That way we can paint this over and it'll be really smooth wood. And I think it would just look better, you know, cosmetically. And so, and I saw a video where somebody had a wine cellar, I guess, or a wine deal. I don't know. Victoria and I, we don't really drink, but I kind of want to build something right here that's almost something like that. But we do drink a lot of Topo Chicos and a lot of like carbonated water, so I kind of want to put something right there for that. I think that would be pretty cool to have. And I think I'm gonna talk to her about it. I haven't really talked to her about it, but I'm gonna talk to her about it and see if I can build something right there that would kind of hold our Topo Chicos and whatnot. And then lastly is our bed. We have these legs right here. They go up and down. They're supposed to hold, but they're really not holding. So I'm gonna build something or make something that's gonna hold these pieces together. And that way it can stay out of the way. And how it's folded up like this is not supposed to do that. So I'm gonna put something right there just to kind of slide in and out easier. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish this up though, because it's not finished yet. So I'm gonna finish that up, do some cabinets. I mean, it's 100 degrees already, and it's only 2 o'clock, so I don't know how long I'm gonna be out here doing this. And so yeah, so let me try to get all this done, and we'll see what we can do. So check this out. Okay, so what these are, these deals, I'm gonna use this. So when this goes up like that, when these go up like that, they're gonna be just to clamp onto this like that, and that way they can stop doing that. I didn't want to weld them. I didn't want to take out the whole welding machine, and so I can just put some little tacks on them. So I just bought some Gorilla epoxy glue that welds metal together. That's what it says. So it says it sets in 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm just gonna leave these alone for now. I might spray paint them black or whatnot, so that way they can go along with the whole theme of. Let me just continue on with the next project. All right, so day 2 on all of this projects. I didn't get to finish everything yesterday, just because I left my tool bag in the car, and I couldn't get to it. So I have my tool bag now. I did figure out the electrical work for this, and so I mean, it's not on right now, but I did figure it out, and I do have my power station right there that we're using, and I also want to do a review on the power station that we have. I think it's pretty cool. I like it, but yeah, but that'll come another day once I get the electrical up. But yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just take this out, put it down there, finish it up, put the refrigerator back on. I'm gonna fill this in. This is some wood stuff that I need to do that I have cut out already. I just need to screw them on there. Also something right here. Finish that up and then do my electrical, and I think that's going to be it for today with us. And so yeah, I have a lot to do and a little time to do it in. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get this started and see what we got. So I also forgot one thing. This is going to be our spice rack, and I need to make some shelves to go right here. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get that done too. I actually decided that I might need to do this another time because this is going to require a lot of cuts. But once we get this perfect, I want this to be brown and this to be black, so we're going to have to repaint all in here because it's getting scratched up already. And yeah, so it's supposed to look like I don't know, let me figure this out. Yeah, so that's the concept of what it's going to look like. Spices right there. I think she wanted to put oils and other stuff right there, and then the grill is going to be on top of here, and then the refrigerator is going to be in here that we'll be able to pull in and out. So, but this is not done. Just I need to level it out, or maybe measure it correctly. And I think that might just take a little bit more time than I wanted to, so I'm going to save that project for another day because I do have other stuff that I need to finish first. So yeah, but I'm going to put this back in, put the refrigerator back in there, and worry about that another time. So All right, so in a nutshell, that's what it's gonna look like without the crooked boards. Let me put this in here. We'll put this bad boy back in there. In and out, I need to put the support right there. Comes out, opens it up. Again, I know a lot of people have this, but this is such a major deal in our truck, just because this refrigerator was scratching up our floor big time. And so now I have to do is just put the electricity on it, and yeah, have it going. So pretty happy with this. The brackets that we got, were something like this. They're 26 inches and they were weighted at for the max weight of 250 pounds. So that's how I was able to stay like that. Pretty cool. I like it. It does what it needs to do. Okay, so all right, so next project. What am I going to do next? I am going to do, what did I say in the beginning? Oh, I'm going to do this. Yeah, I'm going to put this up. All right, this is not I'm not really trying to make that perfect, because that's just gonna be our toiletry bag section, just stuff on there. So just making it functionable so I can close this section off, that's all. All right, so Victoria joined me, and so what we're doing right now, as you can see her, she's putting up the shelves right there. She's marking it pretty well. We added these little deals right here for the fridge. One right there, and the other one, I don't know if you can see those. That way it'd be easier for us to, oops, sorry. That way it'd be easier for us to open and close it without the fridge moving. And yeah, so Victoria's just doing those shelves right now for the spice shelves and the oil shelves. This might need to go a little bit more.
I'm not doing it. I gotta begin.
And then after that, I'm gonna work on the bed. I put this in there already, as you saw. But I'm gonna work on the bed so that way we can have it slide in and out easier than what I was doing the other day, what I was showing you guys. So yeah, I don't know how much longer I have because I have our batteries kind of dying. So let me see how much more I can do without the battery completely dying. So yeah, check it out.